Crispy egg in eggplant fry. Eggplant too big, cut into round pieces. Hollow out the inner stuff and make ring shapes. You can cut with a knife or a sharp-edged round bowl. Keep the hollowed out inner stuff for later. Wash the eggplant rings. Press and remove water to dry the rings and avoid sogginess. Cut the inner stuff in small pieces. Garlic 4 cloves, grated onion 2 sliced, green chillies 5-6, oil 3 tablespoons. Fry grated garlic for 1-2 minutes. Fry onions and chillies until golden. Add grated or paste ginger half teaspoon. Onion, garlic, ginger and green chilli fry done. Now add the fry to inner stuff pieces. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Salt half teaspoon. Sugar 1/4 teaspoon. Mix all well. Finally, add 2 eggs for 2 big eggplants. Add oil 5 tablespoons. Marinate eggplant rings with salt, turmeric powder, pinch of sugar. First, put the eggplant rings in the pan. Then, fill the rings with mix of the inner stuff pieces. Cover the pan. Keep flame low. After 3-4 minutes, remove the cover. Turn the egg-filled eggplant. Fry open in the pan without cover to make the fries crispy. Serve hot and enjoy.